Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.
Hello dear viewer, welcome to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to add Google Map location on your website. So let's start. Just go to the page. Now click on the About Us page. Now click Edit. Okay, you can see now I am going to show you this page, About Us. These pages are not available right now any Google location maps, so I want to add my Google location maps on this site. So let's go. Just click on here, add elements. Now go to the click on Google Maps. Okay, you can see this is the embedded link, the Google Map location. So if you do not have yet, just go to your Google Maps. And now find out your location. I have already created it on Google Maps. And this is the location. Okay, now just click on share. And now click embed a map, and this is the link. You need to just copy that. Successfully copied. Now go back to your site and now just paste here and click on the save change. Now click on updates. Update. Okay, let's reload this page again. Or you can see the video online market pages are now available on our site. This map are now showing on our website page. Now visitor can see us our location. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you are really like my video, and please subscribe my channel for the next update. Thanks for watching.
Subscribe to channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates.
And never miss another update.